So, good afternoon, guys. Good afternoon. Okay, just give you some, first question. Minom ba kayo ng kape?
Yes.
Hindi, ayaw. Always? Really,
Every morning.
Speaking of drinking coffee, we do have our options, right?
Yes.
And these are known as coffee with, hot water with put 3-in-1 of it. You stir a little and you have the coffee, isn't it?
Yes.
But it's known as instant coffee. Alright? The other one that we have, that we normally order in the coffee shops, like local coffee shops, like what we have in Owen. Starbucks. No. Starbucks, sorry. Why Starbucks? Because people there are all reading their books, that's why they're all starting books. Anyway, these are known as what? The gourmet coffee, right? And we do understand that it costs for a lot, and much more on that what we have for our budget, isn't it? Then cost around, how much is that?
150.
Have a little amount of it, 80 pesos a guess, right? 80 compared to how much is the instant coffee right now?
5.
So there you go, sir. Okay, we compared out what the option is for today. Well, the reason why I asked you first because to have your options for you to consider also what is coffee. This is the reason why you're here, isn't it? Because we need to know all about coffee, so we have to do our options. Coffee that might be have your 5 pesos, isn't it? That you have your 3-in-1, isn't it? Why 3-in-1? You have coffee, sugar, you have also 5-in-1, isn't it?
Yes, ginseng.
Oh my. Then we have also 6-in-1. I don't know. But we have here that 6-in-1.
Okay.
You know what's that?
No.
You have coffee, obviously. You have sugar, creamer. You have the cup, you have the saucer, and the teaspoon. Complete coffee that we serve in a complete accessory, right? You know that coffee can be served in a styrofoam, just to probably hand over to you the rest of the shape, do it yourself, right? Like that. But here in, Murato, I guess. Murato? Yeah. Murato, cravings, in fact. They're serving much coffee here. Not only ordinary coffee, but serving also, international coffee concoctions. Baka hindi nyo alam, that's known as yung may frappuccino, I guess.
Yes.
You call it craft.
Craft.
Yeah, craft is known as a blended drink with a coffee in it. Then you have another ingredients, right?
Yes.
You have ice cream in it, you have chocolate, babies, alcohol, whipped cream. You have it all. But once again, you have your options for you to choose your own coffee. The first question that I asked you first was for you to have, again, your idea, okay, what is coffee is all about. I don't want to force you out. If you want to order a gourmet coffee, known as gourmet coffee, that costs around 80 to 100 pesos, isn't it?
Yes.
Diba? Siyempre naman, our budget is, 5 pesos for that shape. Talo-talo na, ika na. But I'm not saying again that these coffees were known into shade. Not saying that it's not, what's it, a pure coffee. Well, not so hungry without 5 pesos, what we expect for it. O diba? 5 pesos, ano bang in-expect mo doon? You have the 3-in-1 and you have